This competitive advantage on Amazon is so f***ing obvious that it's getting overlooked. I personally know a $10 million per year seller not using it in any way on his Amazon listings. It's video, built for the Amazon platform to sell more of your products. Amazon is rapidly releasing new video options for brand registered sellers, but the average e-commerce video company charges $3 to $6 grand per video. What the f***? And doing it yourself costs at least as much in camera gear, lighting, and hiring models. Setting up model shoots, model no-showed, memory card full. This editing software puts their logo on my videos. Another $5,000 quote. This company infringed Amazon's video regulations. Kenji ROI has the only video creation service made only for Amazon sellers. Utilizing our copywriting team, we use real Amazon customer research to highlight the benefits your customers actually care about, the ones those 5-star reviews rave about. Having served more than 380 Amazon sellers and built over 500 listings from the ground up, Kenji ROI knows the Amazon marketplace. CEO Danny Carlson is also co-host of the Actualized Freedom podcast and partner in multiple successful Amazon businesses. Using this expertise, we produce premium grade videos with Canadian models showcasing your product or motion graphics videos that communicate key product info. Different video styles are better for different products, and our expert team guides you in the best direction for your business. Most of the new sellers flooding the market can't afford videos, so there's a natural barrier to entry. Not only that, there's an opportunity to claim the early mover advantage and utilize videos on your Amazon listings. The sooner you act, the bigger the competitive advantage you have. Order your video now, then fill out the simple questionnaire to start the planning process with the Kenji team. Increase your conversion rate and steal sales from the would-be competition to dominate your product category on Amazon.